Hi everybody, this is Robin and I'm here with Guru, and Guru has brought me a magazine, and so I wanted to show you what I'm going to do today. It's a floral, but also I wanted to talk a little bit about something that I see. I saw it, well, she pointed it out to me and I saw it, and I want you guys to see it, and I want to be the change that I want to see in the industry and in others. And so this is a catalog that is given out, that's very, very beautiful. And I can't say, I'm not going to say a name, get in trouble and stuff like that. But here we go. I don't even care if I don't think I'll get in trouble, but I wanted to show you something. This is in the magazine. Now, what I want to know is that this is the most highest fashion available to us, and such beautiful extras. Like every detail on this shoe is perfect. Every detail on this bag is perfection. And yet the nails are just completely an afterthought. And I just look at this stuff all the time, and it gets to me, and I wonder, like, why do I work so hard on making nails so perfect when my industry doesn't? And so what I would just like to say is that sometimes you do get down, and sometimes you wonder why, and in the end it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's about spending time with your clients, and it's about making a living doing what you love to do and not worrying about what everybody else is doing. So I'm not going to worry about what everybody else is doing. I'm only going to worry about what I do and the quality I create, and hopefully my industry will see that inside of me and give me respect and the love that I give to it, if that makes sense. So today I'm going to make nails using this as my inspiration. This dress is absolutely beautiful. It's Monique, I don't know how to say that last name, but the gown is almost $7,000. So this is the gown we're going to create, and here are the colors that I have out on my palette. Each one of these colors costs less than $1, and I have the nails painted with a Wet n Wild nail polish. It was white, and I added a few drops of brown and a drop of yellow to it to create a nude color, which is the exact same color as the gown. So I don't want to sound offended or upset in any way, because it took me 28 years to come to the conclusion that I am perfect as I am, and that no matter how hard I try, even if my work doesn't get recognized, or work that seems to be rushed and not thought of by editors and people in high positions, it's not me, because I'm here having fun with my clients. And that's what I want for anybody beginning in this industry, because this industry is just beginning. It really is. And it's exploding, and there's all this beautiful new art, and I would love nothing more than to see it being shared, and always raising the bar to another higher level and making beauty instead of competition and fear. I believe that competition and fear has brought that level of beauty into our world, and I think that the magazine could do better, and I think that the people that sell their $7,000 dresses in the magazine deserve better, not rushed and hurried. And so I'm going in with my brush, robinmosesnailart.com. This is the wand, and I'm going to paint leaves like this throughout, and push, push, pull. Many years I spent pushing and pushing and pulling, making sure my cuticles were perfect, making sure that I studied under somebody who did cuticles that were perfect. I spent so many nights late at night when everybody else wasn't practicing and I was practicing, and I perfected my craft. It didn't come easily. It came with many years of hard work and dedication to something I loved. And now I share that with you for free in hopes that it raises our industry to a level of sharing out of a love for art and a love for fashion and a love for beauty. That's what I've always been about, always. And I've had a million people in my room here learning from me, and I've have lots of you guys going to school. So anyways, I thought I would say more on my channel about what I see and feel, and that is what I see and feel today. So that's being done. Now I have, oh, this is going to be so pretty. Okay, so I have this color right here. Oh, I didn't have any white. Okay. Did I say that correctly, Guru? Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
You did very well.
We talked about this before I filmed. I didn't know if I wanted... It takes a lot of guts to say what you feel without, everybody saying an opinion instead of a feeling. And this is not my opinion. Wait, it's my opinion and my feeling, so it's important to me. And before I didn't think that I had any right to an opinion, and now I do. Isn't that weird, Guru, how you grow up?
Yeah, it comes with age and experience. And it's refreshing to hear someone that actually has something to say that instead of just anger, meanness, hostility.
This is with love. Mm-hmm. It really is. It's with love. I want to have my old age, and I want it to be celebrated. I don't want to just go out and be thrown away in a world where there's so much art and beauty. It's almost like that person didn't care, and there was no name given, and it was just an afterthought thrown in and then thrown away.
Without our art, we lose our civility, we lose our imagination. It makes us different than the other animal kingdom.
Yeah.
So we need it.
We need it.
Much.
So let's save the art, embrace each other, put names on things, and really celebrate what we're doing, all encompassing, not just pieces and parts that make the most money for people that are spending ad money. That's why I don't let anybody put ads on my stuff whenever possible, because I don't.
And you won't be cutting off your ear like Van Gogh.
Well, if I do, it won't
to make a point.
You know what, though, Guru, is that I might.
No.
It might get worse and worse. I might be
not to hear me, madam?
Like no one's listening to me. Here's an ear. Okay, so I mixed some red and purple together and made a fuchsia, and then added some black and made it a dark fuchsia. And I'm going to make some bigger petals around for the dark pink flowers, like that. It's going to be gorgeous. Oh, and then I'm going to take some purple here and white right here. Mix it together, and you want it to be like this. Boom, boom, boom. You want it on the end of your brush, all swirly. And then pop, 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 and you make lavenders. And then I add some darker in there. Pop, 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 pop. Darker lavenders. Then I'm going to mix the dark green and the black together. And then they have all different kinds of leaves that are going over each other. And then I'm going to do boom, boom, boom. That, and basically just start making this beautiful garden. I'm going to take the red, mix it with white into the lightest of pinks. And then right here, just throw blah, 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 blah. Then I'm going to dip into the red and then just go in like little circles. And then we have a red-pink rose. And then there's some purple. It's some dark purple and dark, I think it's just dark purple and maybe some really dark green blue ribbons. Okay, so lastly, I will go in and go like this and push in, and I just have it barely on my brush like this, and then the ribbon kind of goes throughout and it meanders barely through the dress. These little ribbons. So that's what I'm going to do basically. I might add a few lighter leaves and petals here and there, but I'm going to work on this and I will meet you back. Oh! Well, anyways, we're back, and I wanted to say that now this is a harder design, but I wanted to show you that within an hour and a half, I created nails that match a $7,000 dress, and I did it for pennies. And I did it, and they're going to last 2 to 4 weeks. And I wanted anybody starting out to know that you can do this too, and that the magazines can be discouraging, and the industry can be discouraging, but your career doesn't have to be. And you can make a name for yourself, and you can have a wonderful and glamorous and fun and lucrative career doing this. And someday our industry is going to embrace this art. I know it will. And I don't know in what way, but if I speak out that I would like to be embraced, and I want designers to come to me and say, oh my gosh, this girl can do this for my brand, this girl can do this for me, I want them to come to me, and I would do it for the companies that care about our brand and that treat us well. And then I would pass that along to the next generation of artists. And I would keep this going and build our industry up to a high level of beauty and art. And maybe I'm being like a little bit like more philosophical today or whatever, but I don't care, because this is beautiful to me, and I want to pass this along to you in its entirety, not just what I want to show to you today and, you know, and everything. And, you know, I have fun.
Yes.
Isn't that right, doctor?
Oh, yeah.
I have fun.
The fun of the fun.
This job is so much fun. So,
More fun
anyways,
than mine.
yeah, exactly. So, anyways, so let me show you this really cool. Okay, so let me show you my work, and if you guys try this, please hashtag me inspired by Robin Moses. I used my brushes, robinmosesnailart.com, and here are the thumbs. This one was kind of like a last minute. I forgot to do this thumb at the last minute. So there's that one. And I hope you guys do try this, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to be yourself and create your own art out of this. I picked what I liked out of the dress and made this. You can pick what you like and make the dress. I'm showing you how to do it using the techniques and the different strokes and stuff like that, so that they come out as best as you can do it. And together, you know, like, we have fun together. And so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more like this and you want more explained like this, please thumbs up and give me a comment so I know what to share with you, because I don't know. I'm just doing this from my shop. And if you just want to see easier designs, leave that in the comments. No matter what it is, I know that together we can make our industry and our work better. So anyways, I'll see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye. Bye.